Hello, I'm Badger Hobbs. Join me as I go around the world to the world's deepest jungles, forests and devastations. Out here in the jungle, it's imperative that you get your camp set up while it's still daylight, because the darkness comes very quick in the rainforest, and that means you won't have time to set up. Also, the predators come out. You want to get your camp off of the ground to stay away from those snakes and bears and lobsters and all them sort of creepy crawlies and stuff. Very simple, you just get 2 branches and you put them up together. Ah, fucking hell, that's horrible. Right. So yeah, if you just put 2 branches, I've done it many times before. Just to be off the floor. Obviously, you want to be high up away from those predators like bears and the eagles. One more. That's still in the ground, that one. Don't want to disturb nature. Here we go. This will make it up. I've got to be quick before night falls. So, slight split in one of the branches, but hopefully this will take my weight, getting me off of the floor and away from the cold, as warm as possible. Hope I don't fall. So, fucking hell, let's cut that out, Nick. Failing that, you can just sleep. Oh, shit. I always bring this with me. It's my tool of choice, just in case when you have to cut them vines away in the jungle. Oh, bloody hell. Thorns. Oh. So now, the other ways that you can do it is you can get quite comfy like this if you're used to it. Out here in the jungle, you don't know what you're ever going to get to eat. Temperatures have dropped to -15 now. It's not nice, it's not pretty, but I've eaten lamb eyeballs and sheep's intestines. Today I've been foraging on berries and animal dung. Oh, I've got a bit here. In that might be 12 grams of protein. That might just be the difference between you staying alive. I'm Badger Hobbs. Ah! Fucking hell! Run, Nick! Run! Get the fuck out of here! Shit! Oh! 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 Fuck! Quick, over here! Quick, come! Nick, come, you fat bastard! Come in here! The bear has come out of its wild cage. I've burnt so much calories. I need to have rations now. I always carry with me Tesco pink and white mini marshmallows. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Has he gone now, Nick? Yeah. Oh, fuck. Nick! Get the satellite phone in the helicopter, Nick! Oh. Bit my fucking lip. Shit. How do you get out of this bloody place? Oh, come. We'll leave some of these marshmallows here. to attract the eagles, the owls and the scorpions and the lobsters, so they do not disturb us on our camp. Now is the time to see the men from the boys. Have I cut my lip there? Fucking hell, I'm bleeding. Out here on my own in the jungle, only myself and nobody else, just me. No paramedics to treat my bleeding injury. Let's hope that the cold does not stop the clotting, otherwise I may bleed to death. This place, deep in the jungle, is no joke. Here lays the sightings of the last human being that ever made it in this jungle. 1928. Oh, come on. Outdoors, in the jungle, in the elements of the night, the cold and the dark, you have to make use of what you can get your hands on. After eating animal dung and berries all day, I'm now stocking up on protein and carbs, ready for my next adventure. Hang on, you feel them? Oh, shit, Dave. Hands so cold, I can't even open these Ferrero Rochers. You've been watching me, Badger Hobbs. Out here in the rainforest. Oops. Forgot my name. What's my name?
Badger Hobbs.
I'm Badger Hobbs. No. Nick! Oh shit. Fucking farted. Alright, do you reckon that they'll believe this, Nick? Alright. Just try and get in, like, we ignore the sounds of the road, yeah? Alright. Out here, deep in the jungle. Oh, fucked it, haven't I? Out here, deep in the jungle, it's important to maintain body heat. That's why you should ideally travel with 4 to 5 people when you can huddle up in a one-man tent. Out here in the jungle, it's imperative that you get your camp built before darkness, because when darkness comes, that's when predators come too.
Still got a bit of pizza on your face, mate.
Have I? Yeah?